This tutorial is on how to deploy your Python code or Python API to the Entrix web service feature. Now, for that, the prerequisite is you just have to have your desired code deployed in the GitHub. After that, come to Entrix and log into your dashboard. Coming to the dashboard, either you can go to deploy a web service through the navbar or come here and click on web services. You can select any of two options, they are same. Coming to this form, it is very simple form and within few clicks you will be able to deploy your web service. Clicking on the service name, we should give a professional name. Then select your Git provider, click on configure in GitHub. Here you have two options. Either we can give access to all the repositories or we have to select and give access to few. So we will give access to selected repositories for now. Then come here, click on the drop down, select your desired repository and let the Entrix algorithm do its work. Entrix algorithm will detect branches, language, framework, everything used inside the application or your code. Then, based on the algorithm, we'll get the build configuration and commands as well. So, starting with the language, this is the language of our code which Entrix detected, the version and the framework. Based on the language and the framework, we have install command. This command is used to install desired packages or dependencies. Then the build command. In, in frameworks like React, Next, we do use build commands to create folders like dist or .next folders which are served statically. So if you require to give a build command, you can give your build command. For now, it is not required. Then the start command, via which our server is going to be started or our code is going to be executed. Then the output directory. Now, again, in applications like React and Next, when we run the build command, we get .next folder. We get dist folder. So these are what output directories are. Now root directory. If your root directory like src folder in many of the applications is one level inside, in that case you can specify here or else we can leave it as it is. Coming to the network region part, the CDN part, we can enable content delivery network service for our static assets. If we are using frameworks which statically serve front end or statically serve assets or are completely server side rendered, we can enable the global CDN. For example, again, Next.js. Now, the region part. Wherever region in the entire globe you want to deploy your instance, you can select the region. For now, we will go with Mumbai, India. Then environment variable part. So env variables, either we can add it manually by clicking here and giving any env variable name and its respective value, or what we can do is we can come to import variable, select from file, click on the file, select your desired .env file, and then it will automatically take all the env variable and just click on import and merge. Similarly, either you can copy the env variables and paste here and then import and merge. For now, we don't require env variable, so I will skip this step. Click on any desired plan according to your needs. I will take the starter plan, and then it is very easy, just click on deploy service. Now comes the tough part, which is waiting. Other than that, Entrix will handle all the things. We just have to wait. As we can see, deployment is in progress. Now we can see deployment process is over and our latest deployment, which is initial fast API project, that has been deployed. Here we can also see that Entrix provides us with a domain which we can use, or either if you want to use your own domain, you can come to domain management, click on attach a new domain and use your own domain. If you want to know more information about all these tabs we have here, you can refer to our another video in our documentation. Other than this, to check whether our service has been deployed successfully, we can click on this domain and we can see our API is working super fine, perfectly. So this is how easy it is to use Entrik web service feature to deploy your code. We can see it in the listing pages as well. We can click on web service. This is the listing page, or either we can come to our home page and we can see like the web service has been deployed. So with this, we are concluding this tutorial. Thank you.